showing off the Birdcage bike here. This bike was built by a company called Revival Cycles. It's commissioned by BMW to showcase the next new engine that is coming from BMW. It's a horizontally opposed boxer twin, but the largest boxer twin ever made by BMW with 1,800 cc's of power.
The 62 police bike, BMW R60/2, spent its life in Indiana, Pennsylvania as a police bike. So the one here, it's untouched, all original. Very rare. It's one of two that I know of, and I was lucky enough to hunt it down and go look at it and get it.
So my name is Michael Ulman. I'm a sculptor from Boston, and I make these really cool vehicles out of found parts. This is a tractor pedal car from the 20s. This is from an industrial bread mixer, Mikuni carbs, bicycle frame. This has got a light from a boat, from the deck of the boat. I got a propeller in there for the rear hub, rudder. A lot of mix master parts, chainsaw parts, bicycle parts. Make these really cool cars. A lot of weapons.
A customer will come in and see a product that he likes and talks with the sales, schedule an appointment with us, and then we install it back here. Makes it convenient for them. They can come and enjoy the rally and not spend time working on a bike.
Got a new Mustang seat. Very pleased with it. The install went great. I'm looking forward to riding home.